Welcome to Fulshear, Texas. Today, the homegirls are in the community of Jordan Ranch, and we are walking you through Chesmar's model home, which just so happens to be the Durham floor plan, which consists of 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an office. Y'all ready to have some fun? Lego.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine.
Now, y'all know I like to keep my ear to the street, in large part because I like to continue to confidently help my buyer clients find their way home. So when I heard that the residents here at Jordan Ranch think that every day they're blessed enough to wake up, they feel like they're winning at life. I asked them why, and they said in large part because of the community amenities. Now, they're telling me that their activities and lifestyle programming that fit every interest and every age is a win. From the relaxing trip down the lazy river to the kicked up workout at the energetic fitness center. When it comes to master plan communities, the amenities here are even more extraordinary. But this is not even the video for that. I have a complete video on all of the amenities here at Jordan Ranch. But in this video, we're going to walk you through Chesmar's Durham floor plan. So get ready. Let's go. If desired, this home can be built as a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath by utilizing the office space. Take a look. It's important to note that this floor plan offers over 2,400 square feet. And right now, the promotion for buyers is a 3.99 interest rate special using their preferred lenders.
And I love that window.
And I do love a window in the laundry room. And you actually have enough room where you can put a table here.
No, you're gonna offer.
No, like a small table? Like, no? We'll probably do like a little table. So not a table that's stationary. Something that you can fold and put away. Because for me, in my next house, clothes are the bane of my existence. So I want to keep all of my laundry in the laundry room until it's folded and ready to go.
You have a little closet
in the room. So I do like that. Let's see what this storage room is. Oh, that's cute. Oh, so you know what? Wait. Okay, so this is like a coat closet in the laundry room. Okay, I like it. Let me show y'all what we're looking at. Oh. There's your coat closet there. Like we said before, this will be the garage through here. This is the office where shit gets done. Take a look at this nice office and even this closet that you can keep all of your paperwork, everything. Oh, this is a big closet. You can keep all your paperwork in here, keep everything organized. Yeah, nice. Periodically being able to look out, well, you don't have much of a view here, but you can put some nice little greenery there so you can have something to see. But this is a nice office. All right, so moving along, you have your family room, and I'm going to show you guys how tall the ceilings are and just all of the natural light. You have all this space, and y'all know I love candles, but you have all this space, a ton of windows, and I mean, you can just kind of chill out here. Then imagine happier starting here, right? Right here at this house. So you can just kind of chill out, and from here, you can basically see anyone that decides to peer over from upstairs. You can talk to them. You can talk to anybody that's in the kitchen. You have direct access to your office. You're not far from your laundry room, even though this is a big house, right? Things are right there. So let's take a look at the kitchen. Let's go. Before we take a look at the kitchen, we're going to look and see what lies behind this door. Oh, and this is nice. A nice half bath. And a plus for me is you have this extra, this is nice. You have this storage in the bathroom, which is really, really nice because you don't have to keep all of this in your kitchen or in your coat closet. Now that we're in those burr months, there's plenty of room for family members and friends to congregate around this island, and even over here where you can put bar stools. If you're in the kitchen and you happen to be washing dishes or cooking, you still have a lookout point and can still see anybody that is in the family room, as well as still watch the television. Okay.
Like the restaurant.
Okay. Okay. And we're gonna go closer. So this is really nice. You can even put, right now you have what, 6-person table, but you can actually, I can see this accommodating a larger table. So again, we're in those burr months where we celebrate, you know, a lot of the holidays. September is what, Labor Day, then we got Halloween, then we got Thanksgiving, then we have Christmas, then January is not a burr month, but it's close enough. So then you have New Year's, but all of the times where you really have these big dinners and everything is so festive and bright and joyful, this house is for that. I actually really love that the cabinetry is a forest green. I didn't think, like, if you had told me you want to go check out a house with like forest green cabinets, I would be like, no way. But this is really cute. Let me show it to you. Having the opportunity to have additional seating all around this island is golden. Like, that is a serious game changer. So you have more bar stools there. And let's look at what the pantry is giving. So not bad at all. You can have victuals on both sides. So that is not a bad sized pantry at all. Now let's get into the primary. You have this king size bed and there's so much space on both sides. I do love that. So let's take a look at the bathroom. Really, really nice. Really nice. Do like this. Do like this. You have your little vanity area there where you can sit down and do your makeup. Your water closet there. Really nice. Well thought out. Chesmar has always been very intentional with their building. I would definitely put a bench in here, but yeah, this is a huge shower. Like, it's a big shower. Bench it up and you're good to go. It's a nice bathroom. And you thought you saw everything, but you have not. Peace. Now we're in the game room, and this is a nice size game room. I like the size of this. Did you notice that the cabinetry downstairs is this color green? I didn't even realize that, and it's so cute. So here are your secondary bedrooms up here. Oh, that is high. I love that. I didn't even know that. Here's another secondary bedroom, and the bedrooms are nice sizes. This is a full size bed. And so here's another bedroom. So now that you've seen everything in this home, what do you think? If you have any questions, You know that I am Daphne Brown, your homegirl with Beyond The Home Realty, and I'm always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home.
Be sure to subscribe and check out more videos on our channel and to give us a call for all of your real estate needs.